Or value-driven or customer-oriented, everyone in this business works really hard and supports each other.
I love this business. I love the work we do and the results that we produce. I always say, you're only as good as the people on the team.
In every project, we encounter fresh opportunities and unique deliverables, each presenting its own challenge that we must successfully fulfill.
Excite Panacea is a unique company. We bring local relevance to global compliance. We explore the balance between people, processes, systems in our pursuit for excellence. Our footprints include manufacturing, distribution, logistics, fintech, power, tourism, agrotech, real estate, and more.
We deliver transformative, user-oriented, and fit-for-purpose projects in any kind of environment. Whether it's a small consulting assignment or a major turnkey development or implementation project, our consultants and engineers are properly equipped to deliver.
We acknowledge that success is a continuous journey, and at Excite, we're committed at embarking on that journey with you, not just as a service provider, but as your trusted technology partner.
And so, we continue to dream big, innovate boldly, and create value that transcends boundaries. To our perspectives, we say, let's do something awesome together.